In this song, we're going to do all the things that bunnies do. Let's start with hopping. Okay, let's go. This is the way the bunny hops. This is the way the bunny hops on Easter Day. What else do bunnies do? Oh yeah, they wiggle their noses. This is the way he wiggles his nose. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. This is the way he wiggles his nose on Easter Day. Now all bunnies have long ears. Let's flop them around. This is the way he flops his ears. Flop, 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 flop. This is the way he flops his ears on Easter Day. Okay, get ready. Now we're going to shake our little tiny tails. This is the way he shakes his tail. Shake, 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 shake. This is the way he shakes his tail on Easter Day. Okay, all you buddies, it's time to hop along home. This is the way the bunny hops. Hop, 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 hop. This is the way the bunny hops on Easter Day. On Easter Day.
Hello, good morning. Today, to our school has come the Easter Bunny. You know, the Easter Bunny with his ears that flops, with his wheels, and with a tail. This Easter Bunny has gone to the playground and has left Easter eggs. Do you know what Easter eggs are? Yes, it's a kind of egg full of colors and with a surprise. Yes?
Yes.
Now, to celebrate Easter, we'll go to the playground and we'll search for the Easter eggs. Yeah, we're going to do it in pairs, right? And we're going to find the eggs, and maybe there's something very sweet to eat. Maybe chocolate, maybe sweets, maybe candies. I don't know. Yeah? All right? Yes? Happy Easter!